Yeah, so now like in a big circle, kind of. There you go. Good. That is perfect.
Good boy.
So you usually practice one side first, and then you go to the other side. There you go. So, yeah, now he needs to go. Here, that was dirt. Good. Good. And whenever he does that, you can back up a step. That always takes the pressure off of him. It makes him curious. Very nice. Very good. Now let's see if you keep walking, if he will stay with you. There you go.
Good boy. Okay, sweetie. So now what?
That's really good. So now let's see if you can walk to your right and make him turn a little bit sharper. Like, there you go. Good. That was perfect. Very good. He really got the idea now. Very good. Good. Now walk off like straight a step or two and let's see if he'll follow you. Like while you always start out at a circle and then you walk a straight or two straight. A step or two straight. Like always start out with the circle and then just, make your circle kind of wider to where you start walking straight. And always kind of turn your shoulder towards him and not face him like with your front because that's a little bit less aggressive. And there you go. Good. Whenever he gets stuck, just start walking a circle again. Because it's always easier for them because they just... If he doesn't want to do it, then there we go. Just put some pressure on his hindquarters, and whenever he walks off, just kind of wave your stick.
So now walk to his butt?
No. Very nice.
Good boy. Again?
That's, yeah. Now, go to his hindquarters and see if he'll turn with you. There you go. If he doesn't want to do it, you can make him go again in between. Like if he just doesn't want to go, there you go.
It's not fair. I'm competing with the hay. It's me versus hay.
You have to win. Good. You can, if you start walking a circle, he'll probably come closer. Very good. That was nice. So now let's see the other side.
Oh, brother. This is awkward.
That's okay. As long as he keeps his eyes on you, he's doing good. But see, the thing is, he doesn't want to look at you out of his right eye. That's why he's trying to avoid you there. You just have to keep playing with it. There's nothing you can do. Like, you can't punish him or anything. So, there you go. What you do is you try to be faster than him and kind of trick him to where you all of a sudden are on his right side. But he tries so hard not having to look at you out of his right eye. There you go. He pushed?
His body twitched. He's like, oh!
Oh, really? That's really good though. Good. That was good.
And that is hard getting over there. So
Yeah, but that was good. He was not scared when he saw you there. That was really good.
better? Is that okay?
Yeah. Good. He's chewing now. Oops, I lost you there. Good. This is a tough thing, doing it towards the panel, because he'll get claustrophobic. So get him turned away from the panel first. There you go. Good job. Very nice. Good.
So now?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that didn't really work out.
That's keep a little bit bigger circle. Don't overdo that's it. And now walk towards his hindquarters. There you go. Perfect. Now back. And every time it's being good like that, back up a step, because that always gives him the release of pressure. And then he'll get curious and he'll want to follow you. That was perfect.
So do that again or leave it at that?
See if you can squeeze between him and the panel, and if he keeps his eyes on you, he's being really good. And go as far as you like, as wide as you can. He's cutting you off.
He's like,
That's okay. You'll probably have to turn him again. That's too tight. There you go. Gently. Good job. That is really nice, though.
So just keep with him?
Yeah. Good. That was nice. That's it. Now back up a step. That always tells him that he was being good. Good job. That was really nice. And now you can go to him and pet him and whatever. Oh, there you go. That was really nice.
He's so smart.
That was a good showing up session. Now that's quite the opposite of him, like freaking out and racing around, not wanting to be touched.
It's funny how much calmer he is.
Yeah.